Okay, this is problem 6 and 8-5. You're still with the sum and difference of angles. This is another proof to establish the identity. You could start really, I guess, with either side. Based on, I think, what the answers deal with, you need to start with the left side. So starting with the left side, you've got sine of alpha plus beta over sine alpha minus beta. So you expand the sign using the sum, and then on the bottom, the difference. So as you expand, it's the sine of the first, cosine of the second, plus cosine of the first, sine of the second. And then on the bottom, sine of the first, cosine of the second, minus cosine of the first, sine of the second. Now, what you're trying to do is to establish a tangent as opposed to sines and cosines. You want tangent alpha. If you look right here, this would have to be divided by cosine alpha for that to turn into tangent. And then those two cancel. And the second part, you would want tangent beta. So sine beta would have to be divided by cosine beta to get tangent, and then those will cancel. Same basic thing on the bottom, except you have a sign change. So keep in mind that everything on the top of each fraction is divided by that denominator. So you kind of have 4 little division problems. And when you divide, if they have common factors, you cancel them out. So those cosine betas cancel, and then the cosine alphas cancel on top, and the same basic thing happens on the bottom. So once you've done your canceling, on the top you have sine alpha over cosine alpha and sine beta over cosine beta. On the bottom you have sine alpha over cosine alpha and sine beta over cosine beta. Sine over cosine is tangent, and each one of those changes to a tangent. Tangent alpha, tangent beta, tangent alpha minus tangent beta. So you have worked with the left side and have gotten it down to the two are both the same, so you've established that identity. Those are equal.